Dear Madam Vice President,
we'd like to dedicate our Black History performance, Ain't I Woman, to you.
By Sojourner Truth.
Speech given at the Women's Rights Convention
in Akron, Ohio in 1851.
Thank you for inspiring us and giving Black girls hope.
We hope you'll be president one day. Because of you, we can.
Love the strong woman.
Amen.
Oh, say dear.
Well, children, there's so much reckoning here. There must be something out of the kilter.
I think that twisting it goes to the North and the South all talking about rights.
The white man will be in a fix pretty soon.
But what's all that you're talking about?
That man over there says that.
Women need to be helped and security and lifted over ditches and people will have the best place everywhere.
Nobody ever helps me into carriages.
Or over mud puddles.
It gives me any best place. And ain't I a woman?
And I.
And I.
Look at me. Look at my arm. I have plowed and planted. And gathered into barns, no man can hit me.
Ain't I
a woman?
I can work as much, eat as much as man.
When I could get it.
And bear the lash as well. Ain't I a woman?
I have borne 13 children and seen most all sold up to slavery.
And when I cried, I was my mother's grief.
None, but Jesus heard me.
And ain't I a woman? Then they talk about this thing in the head. What's this they call it?
Intellect.
And that's right, honey. What do that have to do with women's rights, Negro rights?
If my cup won't hold but a pint and yours hold the quart.
What do you mean not to have my little half measure full?
That little man in black there, he says.
Women can't have as much rights as men, because Christ wasn't a woman.
Where did your Christ come from? From God and a woman.
Man had nothing to do with him. Ain't I a woman?
If the first woman God was ever made strong enough
to turn the world upside down all alone.
These women together.
How to be able to turn it back and get it right side up again.
And now they is asking to do it.
The men better let them.
And
ain't I a woman?